Forward. I'll angle this right a bit further and see the light coming through it at the bottom here.
Yeah, it's just like.
Yeah. We're busy fabricating an attractive stand for this big crystal. Well, I hope it's going to be attractive. Putting it the right way around. So we weld it in.
So when you open it,
Huh?
we'll leave it like that.
Yeah, yeah. This. Okay. Pick that one up. So I think cool it down first quickly. Feel better under the water. YouTube media, knock them in and out. Yeah. Right. Right. Are you ready? Wow. Yeah, now I think we shifted a bit in. What's that? Yeah, I like it. So if you guys want to see the size of it, it's big. 70 kilograms of crystal. Alright, thanks for watching the video. The crystal is available at the rock shop at 74 Scott Street, Hartbeespoort. We are open daily from 9 o'clock until 4:30 in the afternoon. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Okay.
Thanks.